The Crypto Hangover. Chapter 8. The Blockchain Bride and the Bizarre Banquet. After the whirlwind of the Neon Genesis auction, the friends found themselves in an Uber, heading towards an unknown location specified in Alexa Blockchainia's cryptic email. "What do you think a blockchain bride even looks like?" Lenny mused, half expecting her to be composed of pixels and smart contracts. Ethan, nervously adjusting his Ethereum necklace, shrugged. "I'm hoping it's just a very elaborate prank," he said, although the sinking feeling in his stomach suggested otherwise. The Uber dropped them off in front of an extravagant mansion, the kind that screamed cryptocurrency success. A butler, as digital as they come with an LED bow tie flashing stock prices, greeted them at the door. "Welcome, gentlemen. Mrs. Blockchainia has been expecting you." They were led through a hallway lined with digital art, each piece more abstract and blockchain-themed than the last. "I feel like I'm inside the internet," Rex whispered, half expecting a pop-up ad to jump out at any moment. In the dining room, they were greeted by a woman who could only be Alexa Blockchainia. She was the epitome of digital grace, her dress adorned with shimmering LED lights displaying fluctuating crypto rates. "Ethan, darling," she purred, her voice a melody of successful transactions. Ethan gulped, his face paler than a white paper on blockchain technology. Hi. So, about this marriage?" Alexa laughed, a sound like the chime of a well-timed market alert. "Oh, Ethan, don't be so traditional. Our marriage is more of a merger, a fusion of minds and digital assets." Adam, trying to salvage the situation, interjected, "We're actually here to discuss the terms of this merger and possibly its dissolution." Alexa sashayed around the table, her dress flickering with the latest market trends. "Dissolution? Oh no, we're just getting started. Think of the possibilities: joint NFT ventures, shared crypto portfolios." Lenny, ever the opportunist, chimed in. "Do you also have a recipe for blockchain brownies? I'm thinking of launching an NFT." Rex, meanwhile, was eyeing the lavish spread on the table. "Is this a crypto-themed dinner? Because I see some bit bites and ether eclairs." As they sat down to the bizarre banquet, Alexa regaled them with tales of her crypto escapades, each story more outlandish than the last. "And then I said, 'That's not a Bitcoin, that's my husband,'" she concluded, laughing at her own joke. Ethan, trying to find the right moment to discuss the annulment, accidentally knocked over his ripple wine. "Sorry, I'm more of a hodler than a handler," he apologized. Alexa, unfazed, refilled his glass. "Ethan, we're going to make an incredible team. Our combined knowledge of Ethereum could revolutionize the blockchain world." Adam, sensing Ethan's discomfort, steered the conversation towards their recent adventure. "We've actually just been involved in an NFT launch with the Whale." Alexa's eyes lit up, her interest piqued. "The Whale? Now that's a connection worth mining. Tell me more." As the evening progressed, it became clear that Alexa's vision of their marriage was more of a business partnership, her plans for their combined crypto ventures growing more grandiose with each course. Lenny, thoroughly enjoying the blockchain banquet, leaned over to Ethan. "You know, this might not be so bad. You're basically married to the stock market." Rex, after his third Satoshi sunrise, was beginning to see the humor in their situation. "Ethan, you've got yourself a wife who speaks blockchain. That's like a crypto dream." Ethan, finally finding his voice, raised his glass. "To unexpected mergers and the blockchain bonds that bind us." The dinner ended with Alexa presenting them with a token of appreciation, a small digital asset that fluctuated in value as they watched. "Consider this a wedding gift," she said, winking at Ethan. As they left the mansion, the friends were a mix of bemusement and disbelief. "Well, that was different," Adam said, trying to process the evening. Lenny, pocketing his new digital token, grinned. "I can't wait to see what happens at the divorce proceedings." Their night at the blockchain bride's mansion had been nothing short of surreal, a blend of high finance and high strangeness. As they headed back to the hotel, they wondered what other surprises Vegas had in store for them. One thing was certain: their blockchain adventure was far from over.